Hello, today I am going to show you how to make a miniature faux enamel bucket for your garden. And here are the materials that you need. So here, draw an inverted triangle. After that, measure how tall you want your bucket and use your compass to draw the curve. I normally just copy something on the internet, but this time I wanted to manually make the template. So once you are satisfied with how it looks like, then you can cut the template and then you can use this to trace on your final material like the metal sheet. So using anything cylindrical, shape the metal sheet to a bucket and then use a metal adhesive to glue them together. The metal adhesive that I was using was not really holding, so I used an extra help to keep them in place and left them to dry for a few minutes. Once the adhesive is dry, file the edges on the top and bottom side and try to make sure they are even. After filing, apply adhesive to the bottom side and glue them to a piece of metal sheet to cover the bottom. And then cut the excess and again file the sides. Cut another small piece of metal sheet to make the mount or ears for the bale. You can make it square or semicircle, it doesn't really matter and it doesn't have to be perfect. File them after cutting and then drill a hole for the wire. And then you can glue the ears to the sides of the bucket. To make the bale, simply cut a jewelry wire long enough to fit the bucket ears. Roll a small clay ball and cover the center of the wire with the clay to make a wooden handle. Make some adjustment if necessary and then fully bake the bale and let it cool. While waiting for the clay to bake, we will add an indentation to the bucket. I am using a crochet yarn here, but you can also use a strip of cardstock or jewelry wire. I simply applied a school glue on the yarn and then glue them about 2 mm from the opening. Next, paint the bucket. I am using a matte yellow color paint here and I was not really satisfied with how it looks like. Matte wasn't bad, but it wasn't the result that I wanted. But the good thing is I made several buckets, so I was able to try glossy colors and I was really satisfied with the result. And then you can attach the bale and paint the handle to make it look like a wood. You can also do this step last. For this part, this is only an option if you are a skillful painter, which I am not. You can add some decorative flower on the bucket. Another trick is to decorate it with transparent stickers. And lastly, you can add the rust effect to your bucket. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and thank you for watching. Don't forget to click subscribe and get notified for more videos. Thank you and have a great day. Bye bye!